boys! Hey!
Just wait, they might get up. These. Take them there! Oh yeah. Those ones did it nice. They can all come in like that, that'd be perfect. Yeah, that wind can stay fucking blasting. Good boy. Zeke, drop it. Drop it. Dead bird! Dead bird, Zeke! Hey! Big line coming right at us. Hey, drop it, drop it, drop it. In your blind, in your blind, in your blind. Get in your blind. Right in your blind. Fucking turkey choke! Thing without it, but then I thought back to amphetamine. Keep going. Kill him there! Somebody's got to get that. Yeah, someone's got to get that one. Yep, go grab him. Go get him, Bob! Zeke, bring it here, bud. I'm sorry, I didn't see him, so I didn't even want to poke him. No, you're good, bud. You're good. You're good. Bring it here. That's my thing. If I don't see him, I'm not poking him. Bring it here, bud. Bring it here. Hey, oh, bring it here. Lady. Zeke, no! Hey, go get it. There's a fuck ton coming, boys. We're right there. Flag. God damn it. Come back! Kill him there! Let me check these other ones.